Hello, and welcome back to my channel. This is Everyday AI and me, and I am V, and I'm honored to have you here. This is a recording or a video that I made that when I was down on vacation in St. Pete, Florida, my stepfather has a ham radio club where they do contests. I know nothing about this. I am just a person that thought of something to do, and he was writing a program in Basic and for the club, and I said, well, I could have ChatGPT do that. He goes, no, really? I said, yeah, watch this. So I blew his mind with how quickly it did this and everything. He's just thought it was so cute. He's 82. So, and he's so active in ham radio clubs. So regardless of that, I decided to come and make a video showing. First, I created it in Basic, and I said, watch this. If you wanted it in HTML, and then I created it in HTML. So I did all these tricks, and when I was doing this video, I came home, I decided to do this video for the channel. So I already knew what I was going to do. But then once I got to the end, you'll see how I go, oh, wait a minute. So watch the end and you'll see some really cool things that Kathy does for me. And I already put this on a website as a plugin and for him to see, and we'll see where it goes. I'm looking forward to it. But anyways, thank you for joining, and here is the screen share. Enjoy. Okay, now for the screen sharing. As I mentioned, we're going to do a basic a program in basic language. So please provide me with a program in Basic that allows ham radio operators to to avoid duplication of stations by logging and checking for dupes. Okay, so let's see if she does that in Basic. Okay, so she's creating the code. Okay, so now she gave me the basic, very simple. So now I'm going to say, can you create it in HTML for me? Oops, it doesn't matter about the typo. So now she's given me HTML. I don't do anything with Basic. Again, keep in mind, my stepfather's a ham radio operator. I wouldn't be surprised if he's using a Commodore 64 or TRS-80. Okay, so then she explains how the HTML works and how to use it. And I'll give you a warning on the screen. Perfect. But I use WordPress. So create a shortcode. Create a plugin for me to use shortcode. Oops, I didn't say for WordPress. Oh, well, thank you. See, she knows everything. Okay, so, and there she gave me all the PHP. And then she explains it. She explains how to install it how to activate it, and how to use the short code. And then you can do inline CSS to customize it. But I like things super easy, so I'm going to ask her to create a zip file that I can use to simply upload and install it. And I'm purposefully doing this step by step instead of just saying create all three. I want you to see the process of, as you go through this, if you think of other things, she adapts. And again, I'm not using any special code to get her to trigger her to give me these programs. I'm just asking, just like you would ask me if I was your programmer. And I got to warn you, right now she's taking a long time for this. So I'm kind of thinking I may need to stop. And if you need to stop, just hit that red. I mean, sorry, in my head it's red because I know it's stop. I don't know why she's still analyzing it. Oh, I just started to click the stop button. Okay, she created the zip file. So once I click on that to download it, then you upload it to WordPress, typical, and then there's the short code to where I want it on my website. Perfect. Well, almost perfect. Are there other features that you can think of that would be beneficial to ham radio operators during a contest? Band and mode tracking. Time and date logging, which that would be important. Location grid square logging. Contest score calculation. Wow, it even includes points for unique stations, multipliers for new countries, states, or regions. Has worked all states, WAS or DXCC tracking. And then there's add a table or map that highlights states. Okay, call sign autofill and validation. Wow, okay, so real-time DX cluster integration. Duplication checking across bands and modes. Call sign color coding. Error checking and notifications, voice audio notifications, it enables alerts, statistics dashboard. So here's some of these features and how they could be incorporated. So, okay, implement all of them. Implement all of them. First in basic, then HTML, and last create the plugin and include the zip file. Okay, this is a fairly comprehensive task. I'll begin by implementing each of the features you requested in BASIC. Once that's done, I'll translate it to HTML, and then I'll finally create a WordPress plugin. So right now what's being created is the BASIC. I think, now I want to go back up. She's now creating the HTML. This program logs each contact, checks for duplicates on all of them. That might be everything. Now here's HTML. And here's the WordPress plugin. Is she done? Nope, wait. We're missing something. Oops. Where is the zip file? She's creating it now. So I took it above and beyond. If you wanted to incorporate any graphics or something, I mean, if you just wanted it automatically within the plugin, you can do that. Whatever you want to do, you can do here. So she's working on the zip file, and as soon as she gets that done, then I'm going to call this a wrap. This was so impressive. I remember last time I almost gave up on her analyzing it, but she's wrapping it all up for me. And there you go. And she tells you how to install it again. So that is the new Ham Radio Contest Logger plugin. Perfect. Well, as always, I want to remind you, please like and subscribe. In the comments, tell me if there's something you would like, if you would like to see something specific. I would love to include that and show you how you can dive in deeper in a hobby, in your job, whatever. Tell me what you do. Tell me what you like to do, and I'm going to dig deep, and we'll find some ways to save you some time. Thank you. This is V checking out.